Welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Conley. Today we're making peppermint patties. Let's go. So this particular recipe only calls for 7 ingredients, which is not a lot of ingredients. So first we have evaporated milk, and then we have shortening. And we have unsalted butter, but you can use any type of butter you have. We have chocolate chips. We have vanilla and peppermint extract. And then we have powdered sugar. Okay, so we got our recipe from Pinterest, and we will link it down below. And I'm actually kind of surprised it doesn't call for eggs. So we need to get our bowl, whisk, and etc. So we can mix it all together. This one's Darren's whisk. This is my whisk. First, we mix the first 4 ingredients into a large mixing bowl, which is powdered sugar, butter, peppermint extract, and vanilla extract.
In a large bowl.
Okay, so I need to open this.
And then I'll whisk it.
Where are they? Oh, here. Okay, so we mix 3 to 3/4 cups of these. 1 cup.
You could always do a little more at the end.
Yeah, true.
Okay, go ahead.
Made a little dust storm. This makes 5 dozen. Not baker's dozen, but dozen.
Gavin, are you excited for these? Why don't you tell us how you're feeling about having some peppermint patties?
I've never tasted them.
You've never had a peppermint patty? Coming from a girl who loves peppermint patties, it's my favorite candy.
I literally never
He has
had
to
them.
try these then.
Wait, have you had them?
Yes, they're my favorite candy. They wouldn't be my favorite candy if I didn't have them. Silly. The reason why almost no one has had a peppermint patty is because every Halloween I would sneak into everyone's bags while you were like doing something and you had them do something. I would sneak into the bags, get all the peppermint patties out and switch it out with a different candy. And now that sounds silly.
You like them that much?
Yeah, I like them that much. They're really good. They have the best.
Mom, look what I just made.
What'd you think?
I like that.
Oh.
Wait, how much?
It's like a mountain with a volcano.
Wait, how much cups have we been done yet?
3 cups, right?
Cups, yeah. It's a softened butter, so if you got it out of the fridge, you need to put it in the microwave for 15 seconds? 15 seconds. In a small dish. Make sure you wash your hands. Okay, now you put it in for 15 seconds. 15. 15. Start. Now it's more than softened.
Well, it's just a little too much, but I think it'll be okay.
And we pour it in. So 2 to 3 teaspoons of peppermint extract. So 1 teaspoon, and we need to do 2 to 3 of these. Are we gonna do two or are we gonna do 3? 1. We'll do 3 because I need like the little peppermint taste to it. Up. Perfect. Now, of this vanilla extract.
I'll get it.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here. Oh, you smell that? That atmosphere. I'm gonna get a napkin.
It tastes like
Kevin spilled a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so now we do one of these. Hold this over it. Made the bottle.
Wait, let's see what it looks like.
It's brown.
Little more.
Perfect. One of those.
It's not so good on.
And now the next ingredient's evaporated milk or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so now you have to add 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. As you can tell, I'm bad at this. So we've mixed it, and then get two cookie sheets and put wax that on it, and roll into 1-inch balls. But first we need to spray our hands with this. I don't think
I think we probably need more powdered sugar.
Okay, so it's not solid enough, so we're adding some more sugar because this has into our hands. And,
Yum.
I'm gonna Mom's gonna help us with this part. Let's try this again.
Yeah, it's actually pretty.
Okay, now. This is what it's supposed to look like. And it took us 3 tries, so I think the recipe's a little off, but so we're gonna roll into a bowl and we're gonna fry into it on our hands, and it should be looking like that. Or that. We'll see you when we got the whole entire bacon sheet done. Freeze it for 30 minutes.
Yep.
Let's go.
Mama!
Set it on top of here.
Mama!
And then we get the other pan. And then we set it on top of the pan. No one gets ice for 30 minutes.
What are you doing? Oh!
Get some more.
There it went. Okay, so we gave Christian the whisk with a little bit of peppermint patty on it. And he was loving it. He was licking it off, licking it off. He said, ooh, this is yummy. And then he came over and he did the next best thing. Because his favorite food in the whole world is sour cream. And he has a whole dish of sour cream in front of him that he eats with his chips. And so now he's putting the whisk in it.
And with his fingers.
And eating it off the whisk. I don't know why I find that so funny, but I find that hilarious.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You like that?
What is that?
Cake.
That's cake.
Candy.
Oh, candy?
Yeah.
Just because you put it on a whisk doesn't change what it is. It's sour cream. You're messy with that.
Look at his face. He has a little mini beard.
Oh my gosh. Let me see your face.
Hey, get this paper towel.
Oh, you you need a paper towel?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get you one.
We got them out of the freezer and they're rock solid. And so now we're going to be mixing the chocolate chips and the shortening into a large bowl. I need, of the shortening, you need 2 tablespoons, and the chocolate chips you need 2 cups. Well, we need approximately 2 cups. One cup. And then we need 2 of these. As you can tell, Gavin really likes chocolate chips. Oh, look how perfect this looks. Hold on. Okay, so we need 2 of these. One. 2. Okay, now we microwave the chocolate chips on high until melted. So I think we're gonna put it in for 30 seconds to start. We love chocolate chips. Okay, so now that we have finished with the chocolate, put the chocolate in for 2 to 3 minutes. But now we are going to dip the Thin Mint into the chocolate.
So they are kind of like Thin Mints. They're peppermint patties, but they're similar to Thin Mints.
Oh, it's hot.
The chocolate is really hot.
But I can't seem to get that little spot.
Okay, so here, let me show you how I would do it, okay? So I would grab it like this, and then dip it. Woo! And then let it drip, and then put it back. And you have to do it quick because it wants to remelt them. Actually, why don't we go put these, can you put those in the freezer, Lily? Put them back in the freezer.
It looks very good already.
Okay, so we got one cookie sheet done and we need to kind of hurry up so the chocolate doesn't melt it. So that's what we're going to be doing.
What happened was the chocolate was so hot that it kept melting the peppermint stuff.
Yeah.
And so now the chocolate has cooled and it actually is working. And now we refroze these, so it's working so much better.
You can tell someone got into it. AKA Dad.
Oh, he ate one.
Yeah. Jake caught him and he was like, who?
So our other one is actually in the freezer. You're not supposed to put it in the freezer. I put it in the freezer. They were hot and I wanted to make sure it's set right. So we will pull those out in a minute, but these are looking good.
Rosie, I always thought I was the man.
I'm the man in this house.
Got the most hairiest legs. I got the mustache.
Why do you think I'm wearing pants?
Well, he's just going for hair.
My name's Pablo. Hi. We have frozen them and they're ready to be eaten.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
There they are. Okay, they're not the most beautiful things in the world.
That one's new.
They are to me.
But they turned out pretty good for your first time.
Yeah, they did. Yeah.
I mean, and nothing has to be beautiful to be delicious, right?
Yeah.
They turned out pretty good. It's just we learned some things along the way, I feel like. What did you learn? Like, don't dump them in hot chocolate. Like, we should probably let the chocolate cool.
And,
things like that. We needed extra powdered sugar.
Yeah, and don't let the kids eat the chocolate.
The kids liked eating the stuff out of the bowl.
Yeah, and we didn't have enough chocolate.
And we did run out of a little bit of chocolate, didn't we? But that's okay.
You need
I
to
bet you somebody will
censor
eat that one. Okay, so nobody's tried them yet. So let's get everybody one and see what everybody thinks.
Big.
I'm gonna
Chunky.
Let's get Charlie one, guys.
She can have the naked one.
No,
Don't
get her
worry,
a good
I
one.
just got these. Wait, can I try it?
Okay, let's see what you think.
Oh. Mom, I got a double one. That means I get 2.
You got a double?
So I just get 2.
so good.
Ooh, Jade likes
They're
them.
really good.
Let me
You
try
like
them.
them, Charlie?
I'm gonna try them.
You guys needed more powdered
Yeah,
sugar?
they're good.
You said?
To make the middle thicker, so we can make them into balls.
Because I can kind of taste the powdered sugar just as
so
well.
Do you? We probably could have added a little bit of
But it's
extra
really good.
vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah, they have vanilla in them. You like them?
They taste exactly like the regular one.
Good.
They're
All
so
right.
good.
This is better.
So was this, should we make them again or not?
Oh, yeah.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Yes.
Thumbs up.
All right. Okay.
Down.
But
Okay, but it is
Thumbs up.
late. It is like almost 9 o'clock.
so we
So
had another one?
let's tell our Connelly Clan family bye for now.
Bye.